Understanding collision repair, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, collision repair. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just keen on expanding your English vocabulary, this video will help you understand what collision repair means and how it's used in everyday language. So, let's dive in. Collision repair consists of two words, collision and repair. A collision is when two objects hit each other, especially in the context of vehicles. When cars, bikes, or other vehicles crash into each other, we call it a collision. The word repair means to fix something that is broken or damaged. So, when we put these two words together, collision repair refers to the process of fixing a vehicle after it has been involved in a collision. This phrase is commonly used in the automotive industry. If you're taking your car to a garage or a mechanic after an accident, they might say that your car needs collision repair. It's also a term you might encounter in insurance policies, as insurance companies often cover the cost of collision repair for vehicles. Let's see how collision repair is used in sentences. 1. After the accident, I took my car to the nearest garage for collision repair. 2. The insurance company offers coverage for collision repair costs. 3. Finding a good collision repair service is crucial to restore your vehicle to its original condition. There are some related phrases that you might find useful. Body shop, a place where collision repairs are done. Auto mechanic, a professional who performs collision repairs. Insurance claim, a request made to an insurance company for coverage of collision repair costs. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, collision repair. Remember, it's all about fixing vehicles after they've been in a collision. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.